Ding, 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 ding. Okay, family meeting. You imagine thinking about that for Aunt Joe or Grandpa Bill or Grandma Vi, who all of a sudden can't manage their finances and you have to step in as the adult child. But what about a family meeting for your own family's finances? You really shouldn't be hiding that from your kids or your significant other. Being able to practice finances at a young age is beneficial. It allows those kids to have experience in that space before they ever become adults so they can become comfortable with it. You don't want them to suffer later in life because they didn't get that life skill from you as the parent. At the Financial Literacy Workshop for the Incomplete Parent, we work with you so that that does not become an issue. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.